My lovely wife, we're on our way to go get some first gasoline and then make a Home Depot run so we can start working on the bus today. So we're gonna create new door cards. She's gonna clean the seats and in here. Got all the doors open and stuff because I'm trying to get all the dust from all the sanding and work we did yesterday out of the truck. I don't know if that's legal or not, but once we get to the gas station, we'll turn it on. So here we go. Let's go shopping. Dust over there. She's looking for the price. Come on in. Chilling with your arm out, bro. Alright, next stop is get the panel adhesive and the rust reformer. They were out of it. Alright, so didn't have rust reformer either, but we did get a Loctite brand, and we also got the we did get the adhesive at least, which is today's project. So we're about to start. We have some company, baby Kane and my sister-in-law over there. So we're about to, I'm about to go ahead and hit this with some rust dissolver because this. My wife is now almost done with the rug dust, and look at those seats, brand spanking new. So we're getting there.